Pip, force install ignoring dependencies. Is there any way to force install a pip Python package ignoring all its dependencies that cannot be satisfied? I don't care how wrong it is to do so, I just need to do it, any logic and reasoning aside.
Pip has a no dependencies switch. You should use that. For more information, run pip install h, where you'll see this line.
Try the following. Or.
When I was trying install libbrowser package with pip install libbrowser, this error appeared. I tried to remove overwrite, but pip uninstall could not remove it. So, I used capability of ignore of pip by this code. Indeed, you can use this rule for ignoring a package you don't want to consider.
If you want to send it, yes, it will be